Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. Get ready to take off a mirror on this Nissan Rogue. A lot of people say you got to take this whole entire panel off. I do what I do because it works best for me. All you're going to do is take your hand right here and pull back the little black piece. That's this piece right here. Will slide down. You pull that out of your way. And all you do is grab it and hold it back. You will take a small tin. It takes less than 5 minutes. And now you have access to all the bolts. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Also, the connector that's actually down there, all you do is take you some long needle nose pliers. I'm going to show you. Go ahead. I'll come over here. I'm in a junkyard. I'm helping a customer save a lot of money versus getting a new one. Bear with me to get that electrical connector without tearing up the whole door. Get yourself some long needle nose pliers and just squeeze the tab and pull the whole wire out. And then when you put it back in, you just take this back in and you snap it in. It's less than a 5-minute doing this way versus tearing up the whole entire door and panel. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. Hit that like button so I can get on the algorithms to help a lot of customers save a lot of money. Have a good day.